कि अगर पता ना चले and things like that, they used to allow them out also. But the only thing is they had to be very careful that there was no inspection happening at that time or anything. They would get them back in or whatever.
A fucking bad country.
The road turns sharply right. 90 degrees. You're right, even I don't remember this. And yet this is the route.
Whatever.
There's a viewpoint a little ahead. I don't remember this.
No, this was not there.
Then maybe that bifurcation we had come from the other road and now they're taking us out from a different road.
Destination is the correct now.
Oh look, we are climbing.
No, we never came from this.
Never came from this route, right?
I hope
But it's
not
taking us from here.
Yeah, I hope it's not taking us to Delhi.
Oh.
Shrink it and see where it's.
Yeah, it's taking us to Kumbhalgarh. What route is this? Interesting. This is supposed to be a bird's eye view point. We never came from here, definitely not. But it's a nice day. This must be the road that Zubin is talking about. They must have come in on. After this, it's going to become straight. One or two more curves,
Climb the mountain.
and then it's going to become a straight road. So this is just cutting through the mountain. I think that's all. You're going to go left, then you're going to go right, and then you're going to go start going straight. Yeah, see, you're going to come down. We must have come from that side, yeah. Pushkar. I wonder if there's a viewpoint here. Pushkar. Can't see the lake, I don't think.
The whole town is.
Huh? You can see the whole town of Pushkar, no? Maharana Pratap Samarak. Yeah, you can see. Pushkar is inside. I'm going to take a complete 90-degree turn. 180 degree turn, sorry. It's a straight road. It's just little curve here and then it becomes straight out of it.